Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Run a quick speed test and ensure you have at least 15 Mbps upload. This affects quality directly. Next, plug your streaming device into wired Ethernet or move it onto a clear 5 GHz band to reduce interference. Once done, close background uploads and pause cloud backups so bandwidth is free for remote play. Update your console and app firmware now. Newer builds fix streaming inefficiencies and reduce latency. Now you adjust network routing and the stream itself. Log into your router and enable UPnP or forward the specific remote play ports if you prefer static rules. This minimizes connection drops. Then, set CoS to prioritize the gaming device by MAC or IP so packets get first access. In the Remote Play app, lower the bitrate or resolution incrementally if you see artifacts. Reducing resolution slightly often eliminates stutter without heavy visual loss. Make these changes one at a time so you can measure. Finish by restarting the router and both endpoints to apply all settings cleanly. Many routers only allocate CoS after a reboot. Then run a focus test remote session for 2 to 3 minutes, observing latency, frame drops, and audio sync. If quality is acceptable, leave monitoring on for 30 minutes. Troubleshooting tip: if you still experience stutter or high latency, run a speed test. Then lower the app bitrate or switch to a different remote server or DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.